In this video, let's talk about how to fix cannot screenshot on app. Now this mainly happens due to security reasons, mainly on sensitive pages. The applications would not allow you to take a screenshot, but however there are a few workarounds that you could actually do. For example, if you're currently on a page, what you could do is use Google Assistant or Gemini in order to ask it to take a picture, because assistant tools can sometimes bypass these security blocks. So we'll simply turn on the Gemini or Google Assistant within your device and simply ask them to take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. So as you can see, the Gemini just took a screenshot. So you could also follow this step. If this is also not working out for you, secondly, what you could try out is use the recent app view to take a screenshot. So just swipe up, and these are all the applications that you've been using. Simply take a screenshot of this page instead of just opening up the application. So these are the few ways that you could actually do. But however, if you're still having issues taking the screenshot, then in this situation what you need to do is simply mirror your phone to a laptop or a desktop using casting software like Scrippy for your Android devices. And then you could just cast the screen onto your laptop so that you could quickly take a screenshot. So that's the way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.